Welcome to Jesus Harvesters Agape Bible College, where students thrive in a beautiful environment that fosters growth and learning. As you can see, our campus is surrounded by stunning architecture and lush greenery, creating a peaceful atmosphere perfect for study and reflection. Students here not only enjoy their surroundings but also take pride in organizing various activities that enhance their college experience. From study groups to community service projects, collaboration is at the heart of what we do. The supportive environment encourages friendship and teamwork, allowing students to build lasting connections while pursuing their academic goals. Join us at Jesus Harvesters Agape Bible College, where education meets a vibrant community spirit.